Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Melted marshmallows are used for a lot of different things in baking. The easiest way to melt marshmallows is by placing them in a microwave. You can melt the marshmallows to use them in whatever you're making next, or microwave them with the specific intention of making icing.
Take our lead.
The number one reason I find this happens is because you are using old marshmallows. As soon as they start getting that dry exterior, their melting capacity goes down the drain. If your marshmallows aren't old, it could also be the brand you're using. Certain store brands just don't melt as well.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In microwaves, the heat will never be enough to caramelize the sugar. In fact, if kept in the microwave for too long, the air will expand too much for the stretching ability of the gelatin and boom! The marshmallow will explode.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
If it puffs up too much, some air bubbles burst, and the marshmallow deflates like a popped balloon. When you take the marshmallow out of the microwave and it cools off, the bubbles shrink and the sugar hardens again. When the microwave marshmallow cools, it's dry and crunchy.
Take our lead.
You can also melt marshmallows in a microwave. Heat them in a large microwave-safe bowl with a couple of tablespoons of water. You'll need to check them every 10 seconds, stirring each time to ensure they melt evenly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.